So in this we have to find three sentences that need to be arranged in a logical order to form a coherent paragraph or passage. Now from the given options, choose the one that does not fit into the sequence. If you look at these four choices, there is one choice here which has to follow from another choice which comes immediately before. Now that particular choice is C. If you look at it, it says that that being the ideal of anarchism. So if there is mention of an ideal of anarchism, it is clear that this ideal must have been mentioned somewhere before. And sure enough, if you look at A, you will notice that it also talks about a goal of anarchism. The ideal and the goal are kind of synonyms. So in this case, C must definitely come after A. So in other words, we can think about A and C as a mandatory pair. Now what after A, however? Before you look at what should come after A, we can be sure that C will come after A. Let's find out why. A says the goal of anarchism is the freest possible expression of all the latent powers of the individual to make him into a whole personality. Now that is followed by C. That being the ideal of anarchism, its economic arrangements must consist of voluntary productive and distributive associations, gradually developing into a free communism as the best means of producing with the least waste of human energy. Now what should follow C is what should follow C is B. A perfect personality is only possible in the state of society where man is free to choose the mode of work, because this is something which we were discussing in both A as well as C. So what follows C must necessarily be B, and here we are talking about the perfect personality. Now if we look at choice number D, it talks about work, and it is a quote by Voltaire. It talks about work and it says that it banishes those three great evils: boredom, vice and poverty. While D is good, it's a quote of some importance, it does not in any way relate to what is given in the other three choices. So your answer is going to be D. It does not fit into the sequence, and the paragraph should read A, C and B.